In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the flickering screen issue on your Philips television. So if you're getting some kind of lines appear in the middle of the TV, or the TV seems to be flickering or flashing, then keep watching as I'll show you exactly how to fix this. So there's not one solution that will work for everyone. You'll need to go through each of these steps to find the method that works for you. The first thing we're going to try is just coming round to the back of the television, and you need to locate the power cable that runs from the back of the TV to the power outlet in the wall. Then you're going to unplug this from the power outlet like so, and we need to leave this unplugged from the power for around about 15 seconds. While this is unplugged, we're going to head round to the front of the television, and you need to locate the power button directly on your TV. Now, depending on your model of television, this button might be located in different places. It could be on the sides or round the back of the TV. On my particular model of television, this is located in the bottom right hand side, as you see here. And once you've found this power button, you just need to hold it down for 15 seconds, and this will drain any residual power left inside of the TV. Once you've waited 15 seconds, you can then replug the TV back into the power, and you can try turning on the television to see if that's now fixed it. If you're still getting the flickering lines, the next thing we can do is head back round to the TV, and this time you need to locate the HDMI ports on the back here. So as you can see down here, this is all of my HDMI ports, and if you do currently have any HDMI connections running through here, then what you'll need to do is just remove any of these HDMI cables now. I've already removed all of these cables, so I don't actually have any connections inside of here. And what we're trying to check is for any faulty HDMI connections, as occasionally if you do have a faulty HDMI cable, then this could be causing the flickering screen issue. So just try removing these HDMI cables and once again checking to see whether that fixes the issue. Now, if you have tried those steps and that still hasn't fixed it, we're going to head over to our TV remote control. Click on the home icon in the middle here to bring up the Philips home screen. Then using the up arrow, come over to this top navigation, scroll across to settings, come down and all the way to the right, select all settings, come down to general settings, come across and we need to select factory settings. Now press OK on your TV remote and go ahead and press OK. And what this will do is it will reset all of your picture and sound settings on your TV. So sometimes just doing this step alone can fix this flickering issue. If that doesn't work, we're going to come back out of here, come down to update software, then come across to search for updates and just select internet. Now you'll need to make sure you have an internet connection in order to do this, and then we can just press start now. And this will just scan your television to make sure we are running the latest firmware. If there are any updates found in here, then just go ahead and install those now. Otherwise, you can come back out of here. And the last step is we're going to come back over to the home menu, come back up to settings, come down once again and all the way to the right, come over to all settings, come down to general settings, use the right arrow key to come across, and then scroll all the way to the bottom and we need to select Reinstall TV. This will reset your TV back to its factory default settings, so it would be like when you first bought it out of the box, and you'll need to set up everything again like as if it was new. But once you've performed this step, that should have now fixed any screen issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.